Hey, here at 7989 Redbird. Here is the shed that somebody had converted to the quote-unquote guest house at one point. Heating and cooling unit on the side is not functional. Here's the house, by the way, walking by the shed now. Has a driveway here, but you're actually able to go just on the other side of my car there and have a separate parking area over here. Right here, so that you could have your own parking if you were to utilize this as some kind of guest house kind of thing. Condition's not great, as you can see. I can see some rot already there underneath the door here where this porch is sagged. Same thing, it's sagged right there down. Door doesn't even fit on here correctly. Kitchen area, you can feel a pretty good low spot on the door there as you come in. You can see the floor kind of high spot in the middle and a little drop into the sides there. And some more deterioration there, but kitchen area here, there is at some point there was a roof leak there at least. Kitchen area. Oh, there's no light there, unfortunately. But this is the bedroom area. Closet, sink inside the bedroom. I don't know why somebody did that. And bathroom area.